Greetings, I'm Chef Mark Reinfeld. I've been a plant-based chef for over 25 years, and I'm very excited to be working with the many a summer nut butters. Today, I'm going to show you a super simple recipe for a nut and seed energy bar that packs a lot of nutrients in it. You can create a healthy snack. As we go through the recipe, I'm going to talk through how many different variations you can make based on whatever ingredients you have on hand. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our many a summer cashew butter. We're going to be placing that in a bowl. You could replace this with the almond butter or peanut butter. Now I'm going to be adding some sweetener. This could be maple syrup or date syrup, coconut nectar or agave nectar, a little bit of vanilla extract, and we're just going to combine our wet ingredients. So I'm going to set that aside for a moment and work on our dry ingredients. So here I have rolled oats. Now I'm going to be adding, these are chopped pecans. Those could be, again, chopped walnuts, cashews, some raisins, some chia seeds. Those could be flax seeds as well. I have a pinch of salt here. And this is optional, some dark chocolate chips. These will be our dry ingredients. So we're just going to combine these well. And then we are going to add the wet to dry, dry to wet. Combine these. Once we combine this, we're going to place it in the refrigerator to set. You could put it in the freezer to speed up the process. We just want to stir this until it's well combined. And then what I have here to my left, I have a baking dish lined with parchment paper. And that parchment paper is going to help us remove it easily once it sets. So now I'm just going to add this to my parchment paper lined baking dish. And then this is going to go into the refrigerator or freezer to set. Now that our nut and seed energy bars have set quite nicely, you could see the parchment paper just peels off. It's easy to remove. Just going to cut these into little squares now. You could cut them into bars. And then I'm going to do a little plating, and then we'll be ready to go. So this could just get put on a plate here. We could top this with some dried coconut. Additional chocolate chips would be nice. You could store these in the refrigerator or freezer. In the freezer for up to a few months or a few weeks in the fridge. Go. Enjoy.